Let's explore the transformation of a concept into a shelf-ready product. It's an exploration into performance, stability, and the user experience, ensuring our creations don't just meet expectations, but exceed them. Prototype design evaluation is where the transformation happens. It's a blend of subjective human assessments and objective scientific measurements. This unique combination gives us the insights we need to refine formulas and meet market demands. First up, we go into rheology evaluation. This is all about understanding the flow and viscosity of our formulas, which is super crucial for how consumers interact with the product. Viscosity testing is our starting point. Here we use different spindles on a rotational viscometer to measure how the formula resists flow. In this industry, we generally use rotational viscometers. However, various viscometers, such as rotational, cone, and plate viscometers, can be used to assess viscosity at different shear rates. This step is vital to mimic real-life application conditions, giving us accurate data on how the product spreads, applies, and feels during use. We also use rheometers to get deeper insights into our formulas under different stress conditions. This analysis is key for determining product stability and how the formula might change over time. It helps us ensure that our products maintain their desired consistency and performance from application to absorption. For cream-based products, Thixotropy testing is a big deal. This test shows how quickly a product returns to its original viscosity after being disturbed. It's crucial for products that need to spread easily, but also stay put on the skin. It's about finding that perfect balance for an easy application and lasting stability. Texture evaluation is another critical step. Our process starts with sensory analysis by trained human panels. These experts provide invaluable feedback on texture, helping us understand how consumers will experience the product. But we don't stop at human perception. We also use advanced texture analyzers to measure properties like hardness and elasticity, providing us with quantifiable data to fine-tune our products. Microscopy takes us into the microstructure of our formulas. It's a fascinating blend that gives us insights into texture, particle distribution, and homogeneity. Understanding this micro-level composition is crucial for ensuring uniformity and perfecting texture. Different formulas aren't just mixed. They're crafted with precision, each getting its own spotlight. Think of emulsions like your creams, lotions, and serums. These are a mixture of water and oil, evaluated for how well they hold together, their smooth glide across the skin, and their look and feel. Gels, those clear jelly-like textures, are put through their paces to assess their viscosity, clarity, and firmness. Powders are sifted and scrutinized, from how fine they feel to how well they stick to the skin without flying everywhere. Suspensions, those mixtures with tiny insoluble bits floating around, are tested for their stability and sedimentation to ensure they don't just settle at the bottom, but stay evenly dispersed for consistent application. In benchmark evaluation, we compare our product with competitors. This analysis highlights strengths and areas for improvement, drawing inspiration from market leaders to refine our creation. Aesthetics and concepts are just as important as performance. Our aesthetic evaluations ensure the product's visual and conceptual elements align with the brand story, whether it's minimalistic elegance or vibrant playfulness. For natural and organic products, we conduct thorough analysis to verify ingredient authenticity and compliance with claims, maintaining the integrity of the product's promise. This phase involves rigorous technical tests, like microwave and centrifuge testing, to ensure the safety and performance of prototype designs under various conditions. Microwave testing simulates the product's exposure to microwave radiation, common in many households, evaluating potential heating, decomposition, or container integrity issues. Centrifuge testing subjects the product to high G-forces, mimicking extreme handling or transportation scenarios, and assesses potential leakage, component separation, or stability concerns. These crucial tests provide valuable insights into the product's real-world resilience, ultimately contributing to a safe and effective final design. Prototype design evaluation is an essential and fascinating part of cosmetic R&D. It's where scientific rigor meets creative insight, setting new standards in the beauty industry.